Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, beta, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Everybody is ready for exercise E now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Om, do one thing, just disconnect your earphones from your device and listen to me directly. Om is not being able to hear, I guess. Om, can you hear?
Ma'am, now I can hear.
Now I can hear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, now I can hear you.
All right. So write down question number 1 from E exercise. What is environmental conservation? Children, is my internet connection fine or my video is pausing again and again?
No, ma'am, your internet is fine.
Fine.
Ma'am, I have already written question 1 of in detail when there was a break.
Okay. What is environmental conservation? Can anybody tell? Okay, Pratishtha, tell. Everybody put your cameras on first of all.
Ma'am, can I disconnect myself?
Okay, disconnect. Why do you want to disconnect, by the way? What is environmental conservation? Who will tell? What is conservation? Okay, let's discuss it this way. What is conservation? Everybody open page number 134. One thirty-four,
Page
the last
number 1.
line of the first paragraph.
Ma'am, the protection of the natural environment is called environmental conservation.
The protection of natural environment. Now, when we protect our natural environment, that is called conservation. So, protecting our environment is the same like environmental conservation. Correct? And what else, children, can you write in environmental conservation?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what else can you write? Any other points that you can think of? Yes.
Ma'am, we can write that we should ma'am, we can add points like planting more and more trees.
Yes, definitely. And what else? Any other points that can be added, children? Okay, I'm typing the answer in the chat box. See from there.
Ma'am, please wait for extra time because I have come now. So I am writing questions. Ma'am, we have to write in points or in paragraph.
Better long answers should always be written in points.
Ma'am, page number.
Okay,
Yes?
ma'am. But ma'am, can I write in paragraph?
Ma'am, page number.
Beta, we are doing question answers of chapter number 20. We are on the first question, answer in detail. What is environmental conservation?
Ma'am, question answer detail.
Yes. Beta, the spelling of reduce, please check. I have mistakenly written S instead of C.
Ma'am, the second line that you have written, the protection of the environment. Ma'am, this line we have to write in paragraph.
What?
Ma'am, the second line that you have written, the protection of the environment. Ma'am, this line we have to write in the paragraph form only.
Beta, you can write it in paragraph form or in points form.
Ma'am, there are how many points?
Ma'am, I'm on first point.
Yes, beta, the environmental conservation can be done in the following ways. Like the following steps can be taken, and I have written 4 steps.
Conservation.
Ma'am, the spelling of reduce, we have to write C or S.
Yes, beta, C. Read. I have written it wrong na first. That is why I corrected.
Ma'am, in the question number 1 answer, there are only 4 steps. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, you are muted.
Mine on fourth one.
Ma'am, I have written answer. Ma'am, second one I know.
All of you have written question number 1.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know second answer.
Very good, Summer. Very nice. Yes.
Ma'am, done answer number 1 and ready with question number 2.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, done answer number 1 and ready with question number 2.
Okay. Everybody has done so?
No, ma'am.
I'm writing the last point of the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am on third one. Ma'am, third point. Ma'am,
Ma'am, of the next answer, second answer, first line I know. But other I don't.
I don't understand,
Ma'am,
Pratishta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that of the question number 2 answer, first line I know, but other lines I don't know.
Okay, define waste management. Now, when it is asked to define, we only have to give the definition of waste management. We are not supposed to do anything else.
Ma'am, I know the definition.
Yes, beta, this question, this answer is given in the book only, and you will mark it here only.
Ma'am, my copy is finished, so ma'am,
ma'am,
can
now I am on fourth
I
one.
next copy from answer 2?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Summer, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Waste management means collection, transport, processing or disposal, managing and monitoring of waste material in a safe manner to minimize its impact on our environment. There are two kinds
Yes,
of waste,
only this much.
biodegradable and
Only till
non-biodegradable.
environment. Everybody take a pencil in your hand to mark the next answer. Page number 135, waste management. The first line, waste management means collection, transport, processing, disposal, managing and monitoring of waste material in a safe manner to minimize its impact on our environment. This is the definition. Write down, underline these lines, and this is answer number 2.
Ma'am, John.
Ma'am, written. And ma'am, I am writing question 3. Question 3 is, what are the different types in which waste is managed?
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम जो फर्स्ट आंसर है उसके नीचे दूसरा आंसर है.
No. It's only answer number 2 in the chat box. No, sorry, answer number 1.
Ma'am, done answer number 2. I'm ready with question number 3.
What are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that I have done answer number 2 and I have also written question number 3.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have written answer 2 and question 3 I have also written. And ma'am, I am writing the answer of question 3. Ma'am, it's easy.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I just want to we have
Yes.
to define also that in how many ways
In how many ways?
the waste is managed.
Beta, in which question?
Ma'am, in question 3.
Yes, Samar, please let me come to question 3. Now, let everybody do this. Why do you have to rush? Huh? When we'll discuss that answer, I'll let you know what is supposed to be written.
मैम written question 3 and answer 2.
Very nice. All of you have done question number 2. Answer number 2, I mean.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come
Yes,
on to
ma'am.
question number 3. Question number
Ma'am,
3
question
is
3 is what are the different ways in which waste is managed? Ma'am, can I tell?
yes, tell.
Okay, ma'am. The different ways in which waste is managed are burning, landfills, reusing, composting, and recycling.
Yes, these are the different ways in which the waste is managed. But don't you think the answer is too short for being in the long answer type? Now see, in recycling, underline this line, recycling is the method by which waste material can be made into new useful products. It is the method by which waste material, and then come on the next line, can be made into new useful products. Underline. Don't give
Ma'am,
the...
what?
Which page number?
Beta, wait. See, in this answer, we are going to give one line for the description of each method. Okay? Each way we are going to describe in one line. So on page number 136, recycling. Can you see on the top recycling, page number 136?
Yes, ma'am.
Underline what we will write in this. It is a method by which waste material, only till waste material underline. The next line, can be made into new useful products. Done?
Ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes,
Now,
yes, ma'am.
come before that on to composting. In this, underline, kitchen and garbage waste can be collected in a pit and allowed to decay for some time and used as manure. Underlined?
Ma'am, we will not write or a box with small
No,
holes.
no. Just kitchen and garbage waste can be collected in a pit. Okay? It can be allowed to decay for some time and then it can be used as manure. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then reusing. Things that we do not need can be given to others who may find them useful. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
composting, can you repeat the lines which we have to underline?
Underline kitchen and garbage waste. 1, 2, 3, fourth line of composting. Kitchen and garbage waste can be collected in a pit, allowed to decay for some time, and used as manure. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then reusing. Reusing the first line. Things that we do not need can be given to others who may find them useful. Underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
And landfill, the
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
line is to be written. The waste can be taken to a place where it can be sorted and deposited. The waste can be taken to a place where it can be sorted and deposited.
Where it can be.
Yes. Then burning. What is burning? Countries like, now listen, underline, from countries like Denmark and Germany have machines that burn, process and manage the waste.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody got this answer? Now this is a very long answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Start doing.
Ma'am, after writing the first paragraph that I have told, we have to put number 1 and write burning.
No, beta. Now how you are going to write this answer is, what are the different ways in which waste can be managed? The different ways in which waste can be managed is, number 1, burning. And then write the line of burning that you have underlined. Number 2, landfills. Then write the line along with it. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And underline, just write the heading in the bold. What are the headings? Burning, landfill, reusing, composting, and recycling. These are the headings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways. In 5 ways, the waste can be managed.
Ma'am, for this answer, can you give some more time?
Yes, beta, you have all the time with you now. Do it. And Anjali, send the work in the class group after completing this work.
Ma'am, who will send?
Anjali.
Countries. Ma'am, if Anjali cannot do the work, so ma'am, can I send?
Beta, why will Anjali not do? She will also do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I cannot able to send.
Ma'am, Anjali is saying that she will
Why, Anjali?
not be
Why
able
are you feeling so?
Ma'am, because I'm doing my classes from laptop and not having phone.
Okay, so that's why you will not be able to send. So do you have a phone at your home, Anjali?
Ma'am, my father and mother are going to do job, so ma'am, I'm not having phone.
Okay.
So, ma'am, can I send now?
Yes, beta, you can send.
Okay, ma'am. Can be collective in a bit allowed. Decrease. Ma'am, I have written.
Very good. And children, please send me your activity work today. By evening, all of you make something creative out of waste product. Okay? I don't want to hear any excuses from anyone.
Ma'am, written the answer third.
What?
Ma'am, written answer third.
All right. Now, time to write answer. Question number 4, which we'll do in the next period.